Today, I want us to revisit Remember the Titans, a timeless film that not only captures the essence of teamwork, but also sheds light on pressing societal issues like racial discrimination and equality. By reflecting on this cinematic masterpiece, we can draw powerful lessons and apply them to the challenges facing sports in America today. The film is based on the true story of the T.C. Williams High School football team in Alexandria, Virginia, in 1971, a time when racial tensions ran high across America. When Herman Boone, an African-American coach played by Denzel Washington, was appointed as the head coach, he replaced a highly respected white coach, Bill Yost. This decision alone stirred controversy and resentment within the community, reflecting the larger racial divide of that era. Coach Boone faced an uphill battle, not just in uniting a fractured team, but also in challenging a system that thrived on segregation. The team's journey from hostility and prejudice to unity and mutual respect is a testament to the transformative power of sports. The iconic moment: Jerry Bertier and Julius Campbell's friendship. One of the film's most poignant moments is the evolving friendship between Jerry Bertier, a white team captain, and Julius Campbell, an African-American player. Initially, their relationship was marred by distrust, shaped by the racial prejudices ingrained in society. But through the shared struggles on the football field, they broke down those barriers. Their bond became the foundation for the team's cohesion and a symbol of how sports can bridge even the deepest divides. This friendship wasn't just about two individuals. It represented a microcosm of what America needed at that time and still needs today: understanding, empathy, and a willingness to change. Racism in sports, then and now. While Remember the Titans captures a moment in history, it remains painfully relevant. Racism in sports persists, manifesting in different ways. From underrepresentation of minorities in leadership roles to racial slurs hurled at players during games, the field of sports still reflects the broader societal struggles. For instance, studies have shown that black athletes often face harsher scrutiny in the media compared to their white counterparts. They are frequently portrayed as relying on physical prowess rather than intelligence or strategy, a stereotype that undermines their hard work and skill. Similarly, there is a glaring lack of diversity in coaching and executive positions across many professional leagues. While players of color dominate the rosters, decision-making roles remain largely inaccessible to them. Another modern challenge is the politicization of athletes who speak out against racism. From Colin Kaepernick taking a knee during the national anthem to protests against police brutality, athletes have used their platforms to demand justice. However, these actions often attract backlash, with critics accusing them of mixing politics with sports. Sports have an unparalleled ability to unite people. They transcend race, class, and nationality, providing a common ground for individuals to come together. However, this potential can only be realized if sports are inclusive and equitable. Coaches, players, and fans all have a role to play. Coaches must prioritize diversity and foster environments where every player feels valued. Players like Jerry and Julius must lead by example, demonstrating that mutual respect and collaboration are the keys to success. Fans must hold organizations accountable, demanding that leagues and teams address systemic inequalities. The film teaches us that real change begins with uncomfortable conversations and a willingness to confront our biases. It challenges us to see beyond superficial differences and recognize the shared humanity that binds us all. Just as the Titans overcame their divisions to achieve greatness, we too can dismantle the barriers that divide us. To the students here today, you are the future of sports and society. Learn from the lessons of Remember the Titans. Be the teammate who uplifts others, the leader who fosters inclusion, and the advocate who speaks out against injustice. Sports are not just games. They're a reflection of who we are and what we stand for. As we leave this discussion, let us carry forward the spirit of unity and resilience embodied by the Titans. Together, we can create a world where equality and respect are not aspirations, but realities. Thank you.